Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'll be showing you my quick go-to remedy for dry and brittle hair. So if you want to restore dry and brittle hair, this remedy is for you. So the first thing I'm going in with is my aloe vera. So I already extracted the aloe vera gel. Next I'm going in with my apple cider vinegar, and I'm just going to use just 1 teaspoon of this, okay, just one. I add that into the bowl. Next I'm going in with my honey, and I just added 1 teaspoon of honey into the bowl as well. So guys, the last ingredient I'm going to be using is egg. So I only use just 1 egg, okay? So I cracked that into the bowl, and then after that I went ahead to mix all the ingredients together. So guys, after mixing, you can see that this treatment is ready for use. So let's move on to applying this onto my hair. So guys, I usually do this treatment like when after shampooing, but right here I'm just demonstrating how you can actually apply this onto your hair. My hair is freshly washed, but you want to do this immediately after you apply your shampoo. Immediately after you wash out your shampoo, you want to apply this. And you want to start off by sectioning your hair into workable parts. For me, I usually section my hair into 4 to 5 sections, and after sectioning out my hair, I go ahead to, as you can see right here, I am just making sure I wet my hair. Like I said, you want to apply this on a damp hair, and I recommend after shampooing your hair before applying your conditioner. So I just make sure to wet my hair a little bit. Now I'm going in with this treatment. So guys, I recommend you blend your aloe vera so you don't end up having lumps like I do here. So just make sure you blend it out. Mine, I just scraped it out, and I didn't really I did not blend mine. So as you can see, I have these aloe vera chunks on my hair, so you want to avoid that. I recommend you blend your aloe vera and then strain it. So moving on, I just make sure to apply this mixture from my roots all the way to the ends of my hair, and make sure I massage it in onto my strands as well. After working on one side, I make sure to secure that out of the way and move on to the next section. Guys, I just wanted to put this out there that depending on your hair density or the volume of your hair, you might actually want to increase this ingredient. So I don't know if you noticed, but I made use of just half aloe vera leaves. You can actually make use of all, and then just increase instead of making use of 1 teaspoon of honey, you can increase that to 2, and also increase the apple cider vinegar to 2 spoons, okay? So yes, that is all. As you can see, I already finished applying the treatment onto my hair, so I'm just going to go ahead to secure that. And I want to advise that you don't want to wash this right away, okay? You want to let it sit on your hair for it to actually penetrate your scalp and your hair, if you get what I mean. So I advise you go in with your shower cap or a plastic bag, whatever you have, to trap in that heat. So right here I'm going in with my regular shower cap, just securing that onto my hair. So I would advise you want to let this sit for a while. So usually I just let this treatment sit for about 30 minutes. So here I'm just setting my timer for 30 minutes, and yeah, I'm just going to let it sit for 30 minutes, and when the time is up, I just go ahead to wash this out of my hair. Like I said, if you're applying this on your wash day, you want to apply it after you make use of your shampoo, and after you rinse this out, you want to go ahead and finish up with your conditioner, okay? So guys, if you're suffering from dry and brittle hair, or if your hair lacks that strength and shine, you want to try out this treatment, because this treatment is packed with vitamins and minerals. It prevents hair loss, it promotes healthy hair growth, it also repairs damaged hair. This treatment makes the hair stronger and shinier. So guys, I suggest you use this treatment once or twice in a month, especially if you're like trying to treat dry and brittle hair. You want to use this twice a month, and you trust me, you're going to see results. So guys, this treatment is just going to help improve the overall appearance of the hair. So guys, this is my hair after rinsing it out. I love the feeling. It feels so soft, shiny, and oh my god, I just love the feeling this treatment gives to my hair. So guys, that is where I'll be drawing the curtains for today's video. If you did enjoy this video, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't done that already. What are you waiting for? Make sure to leave me your comment on the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.